Hello my dear Wolff Blitz friends, welcome back to the Wolff Blitz Design Studio. My dear friends, in a previous video I told you that we were working on a decoration of this column. This column was an ugly piece in our design studio and we thought, what can we do with it? And as you can see, the outcome is so beautiful. We are really surprised by this craftsmanship. I know that we have the best craftsmen working at Wolff Blitz Atelier, but they have really knocked me over. As you can see, you can use it. We are using it for our magazines, for inspiration. We are showing our design shirts. We are showing our pillows. I bought a new perfume because I liked the design. And my dear friends, enjoy. In the previous video you saw how ugly the printers were. We all put it away in this closet here. And it is clean because Wolff Blitz likes clean. And my dear friends, I want to make one friend of us happy because he ordered this beautiful vinyl dining chair. But it is more than just a dining chair. It's almost a sofa. It's almost an armchair. It's ready. And he also bought the Rotterdam dining chair, and that one is also ready. Another beautiful piece is this dining table. We use it as our office working table. I want to invite you over here, my dear friends. Paul Klee is one of our best-selling designs. And look at this beauty. This curved armchair is ready. It's going to Rotterdam. And my dear friends, I must say, it's so comfortable. One of our customers who bought the rocking chair a couple of months ago, his chair is also ready. He said to us, Wolff, your interior, your furniture is not only looking different, but it's so much comfortable than most of the other interiors. And look at this. If you are a big guy, if you are a tall guy, a lady, it doesn't matter. This is your sofa. No small stuff, no crunching into each other. No, it's really comfortable. And I want my item when I sit, when I come back to home, when I'm at the office, I want to be comfortable. The chairs, the interior can look nice, but most of them, they are just not comfortable. And these are really great. My dear friends, I promised to show you the column decoration. It's ready. We will decorate it even more. You will see photos, pictures coming with this decoration. For now, I want to say thanks for watching. Tot ziens at wolffblitz.com for the fashion, wolffblitzinterior.com for the interior. And for the die-hard Wolff Blitz friends, I want to say, come to Rotterdam, come to our design gallery in Rotterdam, because my dear colleague Andre is waiting to show you the real Wolff Blitz hospitality. Bye bye.